This is Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. We're back with Pattern of the Week. It's a very humid day today. We've been fighting films all day. But this is the real world, and this is the problems you're going to have. Let's go take a look at the print on the board. This is a 50 centimeter print. This will probably be the only print that we ever carry that goes by a number. 420. This is 50 centimeter wide. It is a full color as well. It does have a white backer on it. Some films have a white backer, and this one has it. We're going to dip it to white anyway, so. Squeeze this just a little tighter. Nice and glossy. Alright, that is 420. Very realistic looking camo leaf print. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.